Welcome to my channel. Now I'm going to shuffle cards for current feeling of your person. This reading is for all zodiac sign. Okay, you can watch this video at any time. Okay, current feelings of your person. Kindly tell me cards. Current feeling of our viewers. Current person. All right. Queen of Pentacles. Clarify. Queen of Pentacles. Intention of current person. Current person intentions. What he or she is thinking now. What's going on in his mind. Okay, clarify thoughts. Okay, so what is your current person feeling right now? So I think your person is currently thinking deeply about something and can't able to move on. There is some kind of confusion going on. There's some kind of unclarity in a situation, and your person has feeling for you, but he, he or she might be not sure, or maybe that person is stuck in another situation and with another person, but there is another situation exists as well, and your person thinks deeply about that. Okay, that situation can be financial, can be family, can be work, can be another person, but something is there where your person is really thinking deeply and kind of stuck in as far as intention concerns. So as I told you that there's some kind of confusion going on. So same thing, I will say about intention, that there is no clarity, there is no uh, there is no clarity, and as well as there is some kind of misunderstandings, or maybe there is some kind of delay, I can see. But there need to be that person need to clarify thought, that person need to be sure about what he or she wants to do in future, but that person is not sure what he or she wants to do. And thoughts are also stuck. There's a stuck situation, there's a stagnant situation, there is something not good between you, or maybe there is some kind of fight is going on. Let me see one more card. What's happening? One card to clarify all situation. One card to clarify all situation. Yeah, someone is upset, someone is disappointed, and bottom of the deck is Five of Pentacles. So if you have a very good relation with your person, so this reading is not for you. And if you are having trouble, so this is for you, because your person, or might be you, is not good. Some kind of financial crisis is going on, someone is upset, someone is disappointed, someone is not ready to move on, and it can be it can be because of any reason. Okay, now message for your current person. Let's see the message for your current person. Message for your current person. Surely, actually, your person is is a good person, and your person is ready to offer you something, and a clear heart, a soft heart person. So your person should be ready to offer whatever he or she has, and might be your person wants to be with you, but the situation in his or her life is not very suitable for this decision. But somewhere your person is is with you and wants to offer you something, but the situation is not helping that person. Okay, let's see the message for you. Message for our viewers. Message for our viewers. Okay, let's see the divine feminine. Okay, uh, you need to give time to yourself. Uh, you need to see what is going on inside you. You should give time to yourself actually, and connect yourself with dive in, connect yourself with the spirituality, because you are very good person in terms of you're soft hearted, you are nice, you are very caring, you are loving, and you are beautiful. You have some qualities. And as far as the person is concerned, that person is also has some qualities, and your person should come forward and say everything to you. So both of you are good at what you are doing, and what so both of you have this message that you should be spiritual, you should be accept your goodness, because you are a very good person, and you should enjoy your abilities, your capabilities, your goodness, your kindness. And your, as far as your person is concerned, your person should be ready to offer you something, and might be your person is ready. If your person is not ready, that person should be ready. Let me clarify. Take one more card for our viewers. Current person, forgiveness. Okay, your person should move on. If there's something happened between you, between both of you, or something happened in another matter, so your person should move on and offer something and do something, and uh, confront this situation. Okay.